Hello everyone, Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com here. Today I have this Pioneer DVD remote control. If yours is lost or perhaps broken, we'll be glad to replace it with a brand new one here from ReplacementRemotes.com, where we have the best prices and selections on remote controls on the internet. The part number on this remote is AXD7440. It is the original equipment from Pioneer. We offer a 60-day warranty and a no questions asked guarantee return policy here at ReplacementRemotes.com. If you would like to make the order or have a question, give us a call at 336-924-8787. Our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or to order online with confidence through our website, just simply click the link below this video I provided, hit the green Buy It Now button, and we'll ship you this brand new Pioneer remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.